Hi guys, this is Sop Mimoyer here and welcome to my Online King review. So inside this video I will go through the product and also give you a detailed overview of this product, what is this product and what are the stuffs inside it. But before getting into the product, let me give you a very big thank you to start to watch this video, because time is very valuable and you are giving time to watch my video. So you will be given some good bonuses, 5 epic bonuses with this product once you have purchased it from my website, and those bonuses are really exclusive. So let me give you a brief detail about this product. Online King is nothing but a informative product, like 6 products are together will be together given to you. Okay, so inside those 6 products that will be funnel related product, that will be social media marketing related product, that will be affiliate marketing related product, that will be also email marketing related product, and membership. I don't know what exactly Membership King is, but like video marketing and also email marketing related product. So those 6 packages will be given to you, and I will show you inside those packages what are the stuffs given. Okay, so I have gone through the each and every products and I will show you. Okay, so before getting into the product, let me just clear you what are the bonuses in a very short time that will be given to you from my website. So firstly, let me clear you that this is the bonus timer. Once you have just missed the timer, inside the time this is the time, and this is a restricted time. Once you have missed the chance, then you can click here to get the bonuses and message me from my Facebook page, and you can get the link of the bonuses. Okay, so my bonus number 1 is that is an exclusive product, like what are the best stuffs and free stuffs to start affiliate marketing. From my own past experience, I will be discussing that what are the really good stuffs I have used. I have given my time to use the stuffs, and I am still growing inside this online marketing, and that will be given to you those knowledges. Okay, so my bonus number 2 is this is also an exclusive product, like how you can create 100 bucks a day video series with 9 videos that will be clear to you detailedly. Like though each and every video is more than 10 minutes and totally clear to you that how you can how you can make 100 bucks a day. Sometimes I make so many grammatical mistakes, so try to bear with my English. And my bonus number 3 is Phoenix, and Phoenix is a tutorial pack also, like how you can start earning money from day 1. Okay, but you have to pay something to earn money, and whatever you are paying, you will be getting so much more than that, and that is given to you by a top affiliate, top online marketer, totally a knowledge pack given to you that is totally exclusive. You can't get from anywhere this kind of bonus. And once you have start checking other bonuses, other affiliate bonuses, then if you are not satisfied, then come back to me and then just take the bonuses. Okay, so my bonus number 4 is Animaze. Animaze is an interactive 3D animation video creation tool, and you can use it for creating videos, YouTube videos and all other videos like Vimeo videos, and you can monetize them also. So my bonus number 5 is email secret lists. As this product is also related with email marketing, so I thought that you should have also some email marketing stuffs. This is a really high profitable stuff. Like email marketing is always a good thing inside make money online niche. So the step-by-step blueprint training to build email list and growing email list. So that was my 5 bonuses. Sorry, I mistakenly write here the bonus number 5. I will write it properly after making the video. I will delete it. Okay, so now let me show you what are the stuffs given inside it. Let me show you from the beginning. This is the Funnel King one. I have already signed up inside it. So let me put my sorry, why it is not opening properly, I don't know. Okay, let me click once that sign up here. So I have already signed up. It should be giving me the chance to access it. Okay, I have already signed up. I don't know why it is taking time. This email is already taken. Let me click on login now, and it should now allow me to open this or to access this. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, it has come now. So as you can see, this is a totally video pack. Okay, as I am telling you previously that this is a totally video related pack, and each and every video is very detailed. As you can see, this is near about 9 minutes, and this is also like 10 minutes. each and every video is detailedly discussed, and you can get all of the stuffs, like all in one stuffs for funnel making or funnel building, funnel marketing is given inside this pack. And the next one is Social King. Let me show you also the Social King. I don't want to and I don't want to show, or I can't show, that will make the video lengthy, all of the 6 tabs, but let me show you a second also. The Social King, social media marketing. So how you can create like 120 social media profile tips, Facebook traffic blueprint, Instagram traffic, Reddit traffic, each and every aspects of online make money online is discussed inside this pack. And this is a ridiculously cheap pack. I will show you the pricing also of this tool, like pin boost secret, like Pinterest marketing, also Facebook mastery, like Facebook advertisement. And I have gone through some of the videos, not all of the videos obviously, so you can track your ad, you can, what are the other stuffs, like I don't know also all of the knowledges. Okay, I should have to access the whole pack, then I will be also enlightened with some good stuffs also. I will also obviously do that, but for this time I can show you that you will be given these bonuses, these tabs inside each and every options. There are so many sub options or subcategories, as you can see, and each and every video is really detailed. Okay, so this is in my opinion, this is a really good knowledgeable pack and very much strong pack. Okay, so if you are really want to get knowledge within some bucks, within just grow more online, you should use this. So now let me show you the product cost and all other stuff. As I am telling that this product is very cheap, I will show you the price. Just come here. So inside contents given, it has got 100%. This is a really valuable pack. I have already showed to you inside value for money 100%, and this is also a very cheap product. Inside market hit, it has got 94%. So overall it has got 10 out of 10. I think I have not given any kind of product to 10 of 10. Okay, so the product price is only 12 bucks. You can, within just only 12 bucks, you can get this kind of products. And just remember that that thing, that if you are okay with to getting the knowledges, then I will highly recommend you do this product. Because sometimes what happens that people just purchase the product, then they are not using it. Sometimes it happens. Okay, so I will suggest you, if you are okay with big videos like 10 minutes videos, mediocre videos, medium videos, then you should purchase it. With you are seeking for good knowledges, for really want to make money online from home or working from home, then you should get this tool. And this was my opinion, and this is the product launching date, like 7th of February 9 AM EST New York time, and this is the ending date. And they are giving you also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. And this is the product definition. So these are the packs, and I have just categorized all of the topics, all of the, not the subtopics, but all of the topics inside this tool which will be given to you. So this was the product overview, and in my opinion this is a cheap product, I have already told you, and these are the bonuses. I have cleared you that. Now let me show you what is the way to get the bonuses. After purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus section, Warrior Plus account section. From that option you will be given this blue button, access affiliate bonus. This button will give the link of access my bonuses. So that was the way of getting the bonuses, and I have cleared you the product, I think, and I am signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up, so bye bye.